The air conditioner can change the temperature, humidity, or general quality of the air. More specifically, an air conditioner makes your home cooler by drawing heat energy out of the house and transferring that heat to the outdoors, then replacing the air inside your home with cooler air. And this is how to use the air conditioner. First, press the red button to turn it on. Next, you can lower the temperature by pressing the arrow down button, or higher the temperature by pressing arrow up button. You can press the fan button to make the fan stronger. Press the light button to turn on or turn off the light on the air conditioner. If you want to turn off, you just press the red button again.